Hey guys, Aaron here from Aaron's Magic, and today I am doing a video and an unboxing of the Aster 2017 life-size prop. Now this year's prop is the Pirate prop, as you can see on the side of this box. Now, some of the features that this thing has: it says Spooktacular Skeleton Pirate. Hell sends shivers down your timbers with the petrifying talking parrot. Sound and motion activated, so move quietly to avoid detection, with a haunting host of a Halloween sound effect and lights. And it also stands at 6 foot tall. Here's a picture of it again. This cost me £60 and it came from Aster. And there's some other things on the top as well. I have opened it, but I'm going to do a time lapse in 3, 2, 1. So here is a run through of things that come out of the box. First off, we have our poles that, well, basically the base. Second of all, we have the connectors that slot in to connect the base. We have the leg poles and the center pole. We have a wooden leg. It's made out of very nice plastic. We have the talking parrot, which eyes light up. We have the talking skeleton head, the wires coming out, very nice. We have the trousers. We have the boot that stands about 2 feet tall with a hole down the center. And we also have the pirate body. Now I like this because it's all made out of plastic, so it's really nice and sturdy. It's got a nice hook, and it's also got the hand holding the machete thing, and it's got the motion sensor right there. So let's do a time lapse of me putting all this together in 3, 2, 1. So guys, we have now fully assembled the pirate. As you can see, he stands nice and tall. The only downside about this is the fact that you can kind of see his pole there, but hopefully I can cover that up. Don't know what this is for. I thought it was for this, but then it would cover up the motion sensor, which wouldn't be too good. And yeah, here's his little, it's actually pretty strong plastic. Yeah, as you can see, there he is. Now I'm going to show you how to connect up the wires on the back of him. So, what we have to do, with the parrot, we find this cable here that fits the parrot. There's 2 little notches, make sure these go in the right way. So in our case, we just go. The parrot is now connected. If I come around, the pirate at the back of his head, he has a little tube here with another one. Make sure the little notches go in, the little notches on the other connector, like that. So the pirate is all connected and ready to go. So let's switch him on by this little Velcro tab at the back. So I've now switched rooms because my camera turned off, but yeah, so here's the size of me. As you can see, I'm about 5'9", so he's quite a bit taller than me. His hat goes up to about here, so he's about another foot on top of me. I think they said in descriptions that it's 6'9". Yeah, here's the Grim Reaper. He's not as tall, but he's 6 foot exactly. and this new prop here that I unboxed was 5 foot. So let me go ahead and turn him on, and then I'll show you him running. So you have to go out the back. God, he just turned on, didn't he? Got turned on. Okay, so let's see him in action. We're doing the press button. So let's have a look. See what he says.
Why do all the trick-or-treaters come to me to die? Ding dong, trick-or-treat, trick-or-treat. Yes, trick or treat. Trick-or-treat.
He has another catchphrase.
Who goes there? Look at you. Why, you're even uglier than I remember you. Uglier than I remember. So once the bird and me agree on something, get ugly.
I think he has another one.
You better watch your step. This is no place for guests. Come on, trick or treat. Come on, trick or treat. Watch it, bird. I'll slice you in half.
So yeah, I think that's about it. Please like this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.